Controversy growing over termination of Tableton School's contract. Sections of Mountain View tents after alleged gang member is murdered. Not that easy. CMU justifies why former JLP caretaker still on contract.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview. Andrea?
Well, Janella, we're always talking about the need for more funding options for small businesses. Well, guess what? A private equity fund was launched today. More on that in the Business Day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From the Business Day, we go to sports. Jeremy, what's coming up?
Thanks, Herman. You are a Woolmerian, yes?
That's right.
And I tell you what, the schoolboy football season is really heating up. Second round of the Manning Cup got underway today, and the quarterfinal round of the Da Costa Cup continued as well. We'll tell you more when we come back.
So where did Wilma's fit in? But okay,
Yeah,
there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you believe the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, should continue its probe into the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, now that the matter is in the court? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.